These two video will convince you, and prove the importance of, fire extinguisher in firefighting. Bikes catch on fire from two things: electrical shorts in an unfused or overfused circuit, and gasoline leaks reaching something hot or sparking. So, unless there is something very seriously wrong with your wiring, or your bike is dripping gasoline, it is not going to burst into flames. Safety Learnings, compiled by Safety Encyclopedia. In first accident, fire start and cover the whole bike. Once the rider kick to start the bike, and potential fuel leakage over heated engine, helps in starting fire. Fire extinguishers are extremely important, as they are the most commonly used for a fire protection. In many cases they are a first line of defense, and often contain or extinguish a fire, preventing costly damage. These often overlooked devices can be a key component towards keeping you safe during a fire emergency situation. Business owners sometimes view fire extinguishers as red cans simply hanging on the wall, an expense to managing their business. But these red cans serve a very useful purpose. According to the National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, fires can be diminished by the use of a fire extinguisher. For bike fire, the presence of a fire extinguisher can provide incredible benefits. The mere presence of a fire extinguisher can have a significant impact towards diminishing the damage caused by a fire. In approximately 80% of all fire incidents, a simple portable fire extinguisher is all that is needed to put out the fire. Studies have also shown that 60% of fires go unnotified. This means that the fire is not severe, and can be handled easily with a fire extinguisher. While fire extinguishers are needed to put out small fires, they also have an amazing benefit towards the environment. By having the ability to control fires, fire extinguishers limit the amount of pollution that is caused by smoke and burning debris. Bikes catch on fire from two things: electrical shorts in an unfused or overfused circuit, and gasoline leaks reaching something hot or sparking. So, unless there is something very seriously wrong with your wiring, or your bike is dripping gasoline, it is not going to burst into flames. In second accident, you can see whole bike burn out completely, due to unavailability of portable fire extinguisher. The one has brought one fire extinguisher, but it was not effectively maintained, or was in poor pressure, hence was not able to extinguish the fire. Once your fire extinguishers is acquired and installed, it is important to make sure the equipment remains in working order. Fire extinguishers can fail if not properly tested and maintained. Fire extinguisher maintenance is particularly important because of the routine monitoring that is needed. Without proper fire extinguisher maintenance, your equipment can malfunction when needed the most. This can be an avoidable tragedy for your facility and personnel. Example is oblivious of complete burned bike. NFPA 10 requires extinguishers be inspected when they are initially installed, and once a month after that. You should inspect extinguishers more frequently, if they are installed in locations where they are more prone to rust, impact or tampering. Peels: remember, only hitting fire with cloths will not going to extinguish the fire, as purpose is to smother the fire by covering fire with cloths. But beating fire with cloth in fact help fire spread, resulting from feeding more air to it. To learn more safety item, don't forget to subscribe, Safety Encyclopedia and hit the bell icon.